Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this one is the Nissan Fairlady Z, and this is by Tomica, and this is from the premium series. So this I bought it from one of my friend Rian, and so he imports stuff like this. So you can find him on Facebook if you want. So yeah, this one is not the Indian version. I don't think we got an Indian version. So far whatever they released for India, specifically the premium ones, I unboxed everything. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, let me just take my knife. Okay, I don't know, for some reason I like this Fairlady Z. Okay, let's put it here. So as if you are a regular viewer of my channel, you must know now that I am a die-hard fan of Tomica. They make really cool cars and for budget price. Okay, there is something here. Let's take the car out. Okay, okay, let's see what this is. Yeah, I got something similar to this when I bought I think the Lamborghini Diablo, if I'm not wrong. So I saw something like this, but I'm not able to see what this is. So I need to use a translator for this. If you guys know what it is and how to work it out, let me know, or else I need to you know use the translator once I finish my video recording session. Okay, let's keep this aside. Let's get to the car. Okay, here it is. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car, this looks really beautiful. So although there are some paint defects I can see here, a little bit of scratches, paint bubbling, not sure why is that. So usually I never see this in a Tomica, but this is the first time I'm seeing this specific issue in a Tomica. Okay, but the build is very solid. It is a bit heavy, and I really love they actually included some acrylics for the headlights. The grill details are really nice. The air intakes, you can say. It has some chassis details. Okay, so the body is made of metal, and the chassis, this is actually plastic. This is not metal. So the scale is 1 by 58, if you guys are wondering. And okay, they included some acrylics for taillights as well. Okay, so that is awesome. I thought the taillights are painted. That's a hats off to Tomica. And as usual, the wheels are actually made of plastic, which I personally prefer because rubber tend to melt over time if it is not taken care of properly. The logo placements are really nice. I don't see any issue there. There's some good interior detail to it, and it is a openable part as well. Let me just get to it. Let me just show you the interior if it is possible. Okay, okay, so that is really awesome. See, if they actually launched this in India, this would be priced somewhere around 600, around that range. So that is a valid price, I can say, or a reasonable price, I can say, compared to other brands, specifically Hot Wheels or Matchbox. Anyway, both are manufactured by Mattel. So those guys are just greedy assholes, if you ask me. Like, see, they price that moving part series around 499, and you can't see any good detail in that one. It is always like a handling a block of metal with some openable doors or some shit. So it doesn't have any character at all. But this one here, for the maybe 100 rupees more, it has nice detailing to it, interior detailing to it, and it has acrylics for headlights and tail lights. So this is the first time I see some paint job issue with Tomica. I never had any issue so far. You can see my previous unboxing videos as well. You can see it in my playlist, Tomica playlist. Everything is awesome. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Yeah, it does have suspension. That is another thing I love about Tomica. Like 99% of the Tomicas which I own has suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. So personally, see, I'm not going to play with any cars, in general, but specifically when it comes to Tomica or something above Tomica, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to keep it in showcase, or I'm just going to repack it and keep it in a box. So if you are a collector and if you are planning to buy this one, my personal suggestion is go ahead and buy it. See, mine may be having some paint issues here, but overall it's an awesome piece. Yours might not be having this issue. So because paint issues, it depends upon the temperature and all these things. So I recommend this one personally. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.